Hello everybody. Close your Spotify account. You want to go onto your browser and search for Spotify. Then you'll click on the first link. You're gonna log in, click on your profile picture, go to account. Here you'll scroll down, go to helper, Spotify support, then manage your account, account settings, closing your account and deleting your data. Here, if you have premium and you want to close your premium and your account, you'll click the first option. If you don't have premium, you'll choose the second option. Here, you will see all of your settings and all of your information of your account. And here, you can proceed through the cancellation on your own. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like these short tutorials. See you next time.